back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Super Stories, and today we're talking about Generation the Legacy. Well, guys, according to Ufom Peter, the entertainment commentator, Utige Generation the Legacy new contract delayed. The soapy, which is currently on the production break, may face a temporary shutdown due to contractual issues. The production is reportedly awaiting a new contract from SABC. With that, no new work will be required until further notice. This could lead to a break being extended. In a letter sent to the crew and cast, the production company assured employees that the show will definitely be renewed for another season and the contract delay will be sorted promptly. Unfortunately, this means the employees will not be getting paid as they will not be working in the interim. Well, guys, yeah, bathi Generation the Legacy izokuthathe kancane ke i-break. Asazi ukuthi into yanini because baye bashuthe ke phambili, so sisazoyibona for isikhathi ke eside, but ukuthi ke ama-contract abo azobulunga nini we don't know. Bese ngisaba guys ngithi hayi mhlawumbe umfundi ivunja useqale phansi sefuna uqala manje ke i-generation of the decade, because sisuka kwi-generations sase siyahamba saku-Generation the Legacy, sase siyahamba manje siya we don't know ukuthi ama-contract delayiwe noma yena usephinde uqala into zakhe zokuthi ufuna uyiqala kabusha ke i-generation njengoba yenza kuleya generation ke endala. But ke indaba engenayo ukuthi ke bakwi-production break due to indaba zama-contract ukuthi ke abakasayinwe. Guys, i-generation kudala ke ikhona ke ziyafika ziyadlula, but Generation the Legacy selokhu yaba khona from inside generations ziyadlula yaba Generation the Legacy. Like I don't think they will ever baxoshe, guys. Angiboni ukuthi bangeke babaxoshe ngoba cha i-relationship yabo isithatha isikhathi ke eside ke kakhulu. So yeah, guys, for each generation it's not even about the storyline. Like siyayibuka nje, you don't know ama-Russia afila avukile nje, it's just that. But anyway, guys, I don't think ukuthi ngiyaba renewing contract because of some viewership problems. I think nje kube ne delay which will be sorted very soon. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome back.